Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform Moodle at Lunacy Ali University of Blida 2 in Algeria. Today we are going to present our first lecture titled What is Business Correspondence? So I have divided my first lecture into the following elements as follows. What is business correspondence? What are the main types of business correspondence? Language activities including building vocabulary, and finally your assessment including quizzes, tests, exams. So what is business correspondence? Business correspondence means the exchange of information in a written format for the process of business activities. Business correspondence can take place between organizations, within organizations, or between the customers and the organization. What are the main types of business correspondence? There are several types of business correspondence. Examples: business letters, email, memorandum, and notes. Language activities: the word business as, as a singular and an uncountable noun means a trade. So, business is the activity of making, buying, selling, or supplying goods or services for money. Synonym of commerce, trade, for examples. It's been a pleasure to do business with you. It has set up in business as a hairdresser. Finally, your assessment. So please, learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, including business, quizzes, tests, exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.